Ace the class, unlocking the secret to success. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to unlock the secret behind the phrase, ace the class. Whether you're a student striving for excellence or simply curious about English idioms, this video will help you grasp this popular expression. Ace the class is an idiomatic expression that means to perform exceptionally well in an academic course. To ace something is to achieve the highest score or to do something very successfully. It originates from the term ace in card games, where it often represents the highest value card. Let's put this phrase into action. When someone says, "I managed to ace the class," they mean they got excellent grades or understood the material better than anyone else. It is often used to convey pride in one's academic achievements. Achieving this level of success takes more than just wishful thinking. Here are some tips. Attend all classes to ensure you don't miss out on vital information. Participate actively in discussions and ask questions if you're unclear about something. Study regularly rather than cramming the night before. Seek help from teachers or tutors if you're struggling with the material. Understanding this phrase also means knowing its context in English-speaking cultures. Excelling in academic pursuits is often highly valued, and the ability to ace a class is seen as a sign of intelligence and diligence. Ace the class is more than just a phrase, it's a goal for many students. Remember, acing a class is achievable with hard work and determination. We hope this video helps you on your journey to academic excellence. Keep learning, keep growing, and maybe you'll ace your next class.